Hello dear learners, welcome to this channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can learn English, how you can start your speaking. So we have four methods how you can start your speaking. English is a very important language. If you wanna grow in your career, so you should learn English, and you have to learn English if you really want to get succeed in your life. So this is simply fair and clean cheat if you really want to start your speaking journey. So here is a first method, build your foundation in English. Suppose that you are a new learner, so you should develop your foundation in English. First, you need to change your thought process in English, but it is not possible if you don't have any foundation of English. So first you need to develop your foundation. How you can build your foundation? First, learn every day. You should learn every day each and words and situations, so you can easily build your foundation in English. Suppose that you don't know how you can explain English, any words, any statement, any story, so there is a problem. So first you need to grab the knowledge from your native language into the English language, so you can use the translation from one language to another language. So after then, suppose that you build your foundation, after then you should follow the second step. What is the second step? Practice speaking. Where you can practice speaking? Anywhere. When you have chance to speak, you should speak. So then you are able to speak front of peoples. One single method you can practice with yourself. You have a smartphone, so you can use smartphone with your practice partner. Lot of apps available on the internet, you can download from the Play Store and use this app to take a practice. So first thing is that you should remember one thing: if you can't practice, English is all about the practice. If you can't practice, you can't speak. So speaking is a all game of practice. And here is a third thing: listen and mimic the English speaker. Yes, of course. First, whatever you listen, you should listen in English. Then mimic like a speaker. Any native speaker of English, you just copy and mimic of that voice and that accent. So then it will be very beneficial for you if you really want to improve your English communication. And here is a fourth point. What is the fourth point? Build your confidence easily, because without confidence you can't speak any single words. You have lot of knowledge, but without confidence you can't speak, because confidence plays a very big role in your speaking. Maximum people actually know everything, how you can speak and what is the meaning, everything, but they can't speak because of lack of confidence. So if you are suffering from the lack of confidence, first thing is that you should develop your confidence with one-to-one. After then, you should go everywhere outside of your home and the social media. You can easily take the help from the social media. How you can build your confidence? Just take 1 minute and chat on the social media and build your confidence. You should follow the techniques. First, you should improve your text, then your audio, and then your video. So you can easily build your confidence. How you can speak English? So here is a 4 point how you can learn English. Follow these 4 points and fluent speaker. You want to become a fluent speaker, so you can easily become a fluent speaker with the help of these 4 points. Build your foundation in English. Second thing is practice in English of speaking, and third thing is listen and mimic the native speaker of English. And fourth thing is that I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like this video. See you in next video. Thank you so much watching this video. Have a good